Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to fix AirPods not showing up on iPhone 17. So, if you want to fix this issue, the first thing that you need to do is to open the settings on the down right corner. After that, you need to go to the Bluetooth section from here. Then you need to try to turn off your Bluetooth and turn it on again. If your AirPods is not showing after that, you need to try to make sure that your AirPods are actually charged up and try to put it in the AirPods box and then try to pair it up again. If it doesn't pair with you, try to restart your iPhone and turn it on again. So now you need to go to the Bluetooth section again and see if your AirPods is showing up. So if nothing actually worked with you and the problem is not with the AirPods or with the charging or battery of the AirPods, so it's actually with your iPhone, you need to try to open the general settings RC from here, and after that you need to go to transfer or reset iPhone. It will be all the way down. After that you need to click on reset, and now you need to click on reset network settings. So this will actually reset all of your network settings including the Bluetooth settings, and it will help on establishing a new fresh connection with your AirPods. So now you can try to connect. To your AirPods again, and hopefully it will work for you. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.